What you think?
Hello, we are going, the whole family, to the forest to grill sausages, grill a korv, and have a picnic in the nature, in the cold. So I'm in the car and the boys, they went to the supermarket to buy some sausages and some Swedish meatballs so that we can cook them. Oh. Έρχομαι. Now the fire is on and now we're waiting for the food. Where's the food? Where is the food?
It's in the bag.
It's in the bag. So I'm supposed to make coffee now with this. And I don't have instructions. I don't know how to do it. Please. Ah, look, it has this one. So I put water here and I put it in the fire. Do I just put it like this on top of the fire? Like next to the grill? Like all of it? And what? Don't laugh, I have never done that. Now, yes?
Goes down.
Safety booth. Why is it pink?
Because it's cold here.
Okay, so I put this here.
Yeah.
And then,
Jag
okay.
har fylla på nu, vi ska steka köttbullar då.
Okay. And
Ja, det går nog bra.
Yes.
Inget mer nu.
no, but I have
Nej, inget mer nu.
nothing.
Nej, det ska brinna där.
I just so I just put this.
Ja. Now you can show them.
I am filming. I'm not very good.
Ja.
So
Och tända.
what? I do. Are you okay? I trust
I'll leave
you.
now.
Is this supposed to turn on the liquid? Is the liquid supposed to be on flame? Okay. Aha, it is on. Guys, it got on fire. I just didn't notice it. And this goes here. And yes, it is secured. And I put water. Where's the water? This is just regular water from the crane. Or from the tap, what do you call it? Okay, and I put it on like this. Yes, but I have to place it on the. It's what? Yes, it's burning. Okay, I did it. Yes, I thought it wasn't, but then I saw the flame in the background, in the shadow. So yes, it is working. Now it's water inside here, Nils, and we're waiting for it to boil to make coffee. This is my first time ever I'm doing those things, so I'm actually surprised the level of trust you're showing to me. Tell me just do it. I have been living 12 years in Sweden. This is the first time I'm doing it. We are ready for the post-apocalyptic world. So, I've never done this before. I'm supposed to make a fork out of this. Something that I could stick my sausage, hot dog. And you said I'm supposed to refine it, like take away the outside, the shell, what is it called? I think I'm going to destroy it. It's supposed to be only the white. Look, looky, look. Yes. This one, it needs to be a bit more. I hear the water boiling. Nice. Nice. Good scent. Approved. Thank you. Yes. Take it. Coffee. So we have here. We are so outdoor people. No, we are. You are. But I need my coffee. So we have here the dress. I'm taking it away.
Mamma.
Ska jag få fel, eller?
Men mamma, först är blåbären så.
Ja.
Sen blir de blåa.
Exakt, de blir blommor först. Blåbärsblommor.
Och sen blir de...
This?
Yes. Ah, and we have a frying pan. Okay. This looks like an advertisement for this kid, but it's not really. It's mostly a representation of how I don't know anything. Meatballs. So I'm putting the meatballs here. We don't have anything in oil or butter, but it doesn't matter. Just put them. I'm not putting all of them. This is enough. And leave it like this.
De här finns på iTunes.
Annars blir det varmt.
De här finns på iTunes.
I'm going to become an outdoor person in my 40s after 12 years here. Anyway, we're doing it now. Where is my fork? I need my fork to mix the the meatballs. Yes. Wow. Is that how people do it in the outdoor lifestyle? Feel free to laugh, not at me, with me.
Alla de finns här på iTunes.
Yeah, we bought ready-made. I mean, yeah, convenient now.
Alla på iTunes. Alla de fåglarna.
Kall köttbulle. Det är gott. Det är pizza sen.
Delicious. And coffee is ready. Life is good. And mustard, yes. Thank you for watching my outdoors, the family's outdoors vlog. Now we are done. We have eaten. It's not hot dogs really, but I call them sausages. I don't know. Anyway, we have eaten that and some Swedish meatballs and drunk coffee, and we're going to go home soon. First, we're going to go for like a round, walk a bit in the path, see the forest, and it's a place we come often here. It's very nice. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.